Step into the 2006 Isuzu Ascender. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.